Up first this evening, a response from the organizers of the Mocha Fest party series on the continuation of events following uproar over COVID-19 protocol breaches. Our news center has gained access to emails sent out to patrons attending the 7-day series of events. Javon Keys reports.
Saturday's communique from the organizers of Mocha Fest to patrons was a reminder for those who are yet to participate in the catamaran boat ride to enjoy the experience either Saturday morning or Sunday. The organizers linked to sunset destinations and events based in Florida have apologized to patrons, noting they have no choice but to cancel the ongoing private party activities. The events were scheduled to take place at various hotels housing Mocha Fest guests. Royalton Negril, Hedonism 2, Rio Palace and Azul Beach Resort are all listed as participating hotels. In Friday's emails, Mocha Fest organizers shifted blame for exposure to the operators of Rick's Cafe in Negril, Westmoreland. Mocha Fest organizers say they modified the itinerary to remove public events from the party series, as their intention was to, quote, isolate the group from the local community, unquote. Mocha Fest says it managed to do so successfully until the Sunset Happy Hour party at Rick's on Thursday. The email says Rick's Cafe did not agree to exclusive use of the venue for Mocha Fest guests. However, the event organizers still went ahead, knowing full well the promised isolation would be breached. Mocha Fest organizers say they trusted Rick's Cafe to, quote, do what's necessary to close the gate once maximum allowable capacity was reached in accordance with local COVID-19 protocols, unquote. But that was not done. The itinerary cancellations include Friday evening's Blackout, the Glow Edition, scheduled for 10 p.m. to 2 a.m. 4 other party activities were also cancelled, but the catamaran boat ride, dubbed a drink boat turn-up, should still happen on Saturday and Sunday. Mocha Fest is also offering compensation to its patrons of up to 50% refund of their party package cost, complimentary passes to Mocha Fest 2022 in Jamaica, or discounts to other parties in the series. Javon Keys, TVJ News.